welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kiara. This video is about to be lit. I'm telling you, you guys want to love it because at the end of this video I'll be doing a giveaway. So if you want to see what I have in store and what I'm going to be doing with this hair on my head, just keep on watching. I forgot to tell you, subscribe to my channel. It's that big fat red button down below. So I partnered with the NaturAll Hair Club to bring you this video, and thank you guys for sponsoring this video because it is gladly appreciated around here. So this is a natural hair subscription box that brings to your house a monthly box of their deep conditioners and their hair products. And this is a black-owned business. Yes, honey, a black-owned business. They know what's best for our kinky coils and our curls. So your first box is going to be a complete kit on their deep conditioners and their natural hair products. And here's how the box looks. It is so cute. And here's the first thing it has inside is their welcome card, and it just tells you how to use their products and what's inside this lovely little cute box. All right, as we open it, it looks like this. So first you will see a spray bottle, and this only comes with the starter kit, which is this one. This is used for you to add water to it and mist your hair down so your hair will be damp when you apply the deep conditioners. Make sure you save this, do not throw it away, okay? And next we have this little cute thing, looks like this. It comes with a hair tie and is wrapped with information card. It tells you more about the membership, and this is how it looks, and here's how the hair tie looks, guys. Looks like that. And next it comes with a shower cap, which is convenient because I don't have a shower cap right now and I'll be deep conditioning my hair. And next it comes with a month's worth of deep conditioner, and they look like this. I'll be using one of these today to deep condition my hair. And last but not least, it comes with a hair serum. It is a shea butter base. So the NaturAll hair deep conditioners comes in 3 formulas. It comes in dry, dull, and damaged hair, I believe. And the one I got is for dry hair because my hair is always dry, always breaking at the ends. It is so dry. And the great thing about these products is that they are all natural. That means they must be refrigerated, and these are made with avocado. Yes, avocado. And avocado has vitamin B and vitamin E within them, which is good to ensure hair growth and making sure your hair do not break. It gives it that moisture your hair needs. It is all natural, organic. It is all the way organic, vegan. It is handmade and freshly made. There's no chemicals in it. There's no parabens in it. None of the bad stuff. It has all natural products. And if you have sensitive scalp, sensitive skin, these are perfect for you because you want to worry about the harsh chemicals affecting your face and your scalp and your hair. You don't have to worry about that. So these products are all freshly organic products. And they also sent me their growth serum. It is their Jamaican black castor oil growth serum, and this is the flavor lavender, and it looks like this. It has vitamin E to repair, it has jojoba oil to moisture, and it has lavender in it to add shine to your hair. I'm going to just slide it open, and it looks like that. And this is how it looks, guys. Ooh, it feels so good on my hands. I can like really all over my body. Like, y'all, this feels so moisturizing on my hands. I cannot wait. Like, let's get this thing cracking right now. I'm going to just apply this on my hair. I know this video is sponsored, but y'all, oh my God. I'm not being dramatic right now. Like, it detangles. Look. Y'all, I keep saying that. Let me apply some more to my hands. This is by far the best deep conditioner I ever encountered in my life. My hair feels outstanding right now. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It detangles like magic, y'all. Oh my gosh. It detangles your hair. I did not touch my hair. I just washed it and came out here, and my hair is like detangled. your hair will absorb this stuff like water. Like, this is the bomb. Look at that, y'all. Look at this, look at this, look at this, and look at this. Y'all, you don't know how happy I am, y'all. You don't know how happy I am. This stuff is cracking. It's giving it to me. Yes, yes, yes. Look at those. Woo. Oh, this is lit. This is litty right here. Oh my gosh. Put it all over. I want to put it all over my skin. That's how good it feels. Like my hands feel so good right now. Just put it all over your hair, guys. I was so excited to this product that I forgot about moistening my hair. Like, this works best on moistened hair. And yes, it's giving me the slip back. Spray it all over my hair. Oh my gosh. All right, now I'm gonna use their scrunchie they gave me to put my hair up so it can all fit in the shower cap. I'm gonna take their shower cap and just apply it to my head to make sure all the goodness soaks in. All in there. Make sure this stuff penetrates all of my hair strands, because I need this to penetrate my hair strands, because this is bomb. All right, so I got my cap on and ready to go, and it says let the deep conditioner sit for 20 to 40 minutes on your hair, and then rinse out with your usual cleansing products. I'm gonna leave this on for about 40 minutes. Yes, 40 minutes. Make sure this stuff is the bomb. For 40 minutes, and I'll be back with my hair all rinsed out. I'm gonna add this to my hair next. You will see in a minute, so don't leave me, boo, don't leave me. So as I'm sitting here waiting on my hair to get all moisturized and stuff, I thought I would tell you guys about the giveaway. The NaturAll Hair Club wants to send you, yes you, your own starter kit box. They're going to send it directly to your house. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Once you do that, go down to my description box. It will be a Google link. You click on that and you sign up for put your email address in there and your name, and so we can keep track on like who entered the giveaway. And that is it. Yes, that is it. So like I said, subscribe to my channel, click the Google link down below, and that is all. This giveaway gonna be open for about 2 weeks. I will leave the date down below so you guys would know when it's closed. Hey y'all, I'm back. So the avocados are all rinsed out of my head. Yes, avocado. These ain't no regular Snooks or no Dilbert's avocados. These are like godly avocados, okay? And my curls are legit popping. I'm not joking. They are legit popping. Look at this. The proof is in the pudding, y'all. Look at this. My hair feels amazingly soft. Like, soft. I'm not joking. So let's add the hair serum. This is a shea butter based hair serum leave-in, and this is how it looks. It goes on very thick, but if it is like shea butter, it will melt in your hand like so, and it is melting all in my hands. I'm going to add this all over my hair and focusing on my ends of my hair. All right, the leave-in is all up in my hair, and my hair is feeling luxurious and soft. All right, now I'm gonna add this Jamaican pure black castor oil to my edges, because my edges need some love and care. I'm gonna add a little bit like that. And that's that. My hair feels amazing. It is soft, it is moisturized, it is shiny, my curls are popping, my scalp feel amazing. Alright y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This video was super lit. Thank you once again NaturAll Club on sponsoring this video. It was well appreciated. And once again, do not forget to enter my giveaway. I already told y'all how to enter. Just do those steps and a random winner will win. If you do not win my giveaway, I got y'all. I do have a discount code. I'll put it right here and save you guys 10%, save you some coins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is that big fat red button down below that says subscribe, and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.